Are paper-made products necessarily environmentally friendly? The majority of paper packaging materials on the market are made of paper, but there are still a few containing composite plastic. Don't worry, we have a new solution to reduce plastic usage and seek better alternatives. Plastic-free paper-based packaging support your environmental protection commitment. What is AiTop plastic-free valve bag? Follow the 5R principle. Environmentally friendly products. Active in the fields of chemical and building materials. AiTop innovative and environment-friendly technology of water-based coating enables packaging to break free from the constraints of plastic. Safer, more durable, and greener environment-friendly packaging than ordinary valve bags. Why AiTop plastic-free valve bags make your products trustworthy? Reducing environmental impact throughout the whole chains from the inception of raw material sourcing. Production, transportation, the recycling system. AiTop the carbon emissions throughout the entire life cycle are reduced by 26.84% compared to regular valve bags. Environmental protection is not the only strength of AiTop. What other surprises has it created? Only 0.259 kilograms carbon dioxide emissions throughout the entire life cycle. 13.5 months storage under extreme conditions without caking. Level with the permeability of ordinary valve bags. No powder spraying or leakage at 15 bar. Efficiency test a second a pack. Moisture-proof, airtightness, drop, and efficiency tests with high scores. Low-carbon closed-loop system of recyclable and renewable AiTop, a green engine for new productivity. Ongoing, exploring helps the supply chain achieve a double easy circular economy faster. With AiTop plastic-free valve bag, march one step towards sustainability. AiTop valve bag solution, more environmental friendly and safer for mankind. We see through your needs. We dedicate ourselves to packaging.